winning the lottery or finding your soulmate. Okay, I don't know how many comments are coming on this video. Mosquito movies or mistaken lyrics. Talking pets or talking babies. Please don't come at me for this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, this is Sheen, and today's video is going to be another get ready with me. But this is not going to be a chatty video. Instead, we are going to play a game. Of course, from the title you might have already known by now. We are going to play this or that. So I have bunch of questions here picked up from Google itself. I know I should have asked you all to just drop few this or that questions so that I can pick from those, but then it was so spontaneous. I was like feeling too lazy to shoot today, but then I was like, get up, Sheen, do it. That's when I thought that I will do this video. It will be fun for you all to watch as well, and also I like to do these sort of videos. So I picked a few of the questions here from Google, and we are going to play this while we get ready. Okay, before we move on to the sunscreen, I've just washed my face, and I have used this Rene Snail 99 Mucin serum. Use it every day, and just in case if you want the link of these products, then it will be given in the description box, then do check them out. And yeah, like I just washed my face, and then on the damp skin I just used Snail Mucin serum, and then now I will be using Dot and Key sunscreen. And with this we'll get started with the first question. This or that, bad haircut or bad dye job? This is little tricky. I think bad haircut. Dye, I think you can somehow manage for few days, let it grow, and then later cut it, like cut the entire dyed part, and then work with it somehow. I don't know. But if bad haircut, your hair is already gone. There is nothing, like you got nothing to do with that. The damage has happened, so you cannot do anything with that, is at least what I think. So bad haircut. Oh, sorry, bad dye job. Talking pets or talking babies? Please don't come at me for this. I think talking pets. Talking babies are still fine. They are cute, but I think talking pets, I will rather like talking pets. Winning the lottery or finding your soulmate? Finding your soulmate, no doubt. Winning a lottery, no. Finding a soulmate. Mosquito movies or mistaken lyrics? I don't watch movies, so mistaken lyrics. That's fine. Test the waters or dive into the deep end? No, test the waters. I don't think I'll ever do that. I'll never do that mistake of just diving into the deep water, or even if I know that it's not a beach or ocean, or if it's just a small lake or river, I will still test it out. I think I applied a little more like this foundation, and yeah, I think so I did. Sort by price or by rating? Okay, I don't know how many comments are coming on this video, but sort by price. No ratings. I don't know. I don't believe in ratings. I know many of you all just look for ratings and then order. Like suppose if you're going to Zomato and if you want to order something, pasta. If you want to order pasta, then I will be someone who will look for the price and the quantity, but not the rating. Even if it is like 2 star, even if it is like 1 star, I'll be like, okay, I want to like order it, taste it, and then see if it's worth the money, or I'll rather experiment it on myself and not go according to the rating. I never go according to ratings, because I think it just comes from your experience. I've experienced it. So while I was traveling from Bangalore to Ballari once, I usually travel in SRS or VRL. Those are like the standard travel agencies. For some reason, in one of the app, that is Redbus, ratings of VRL and SRS are so low, like literally 3 stars they have given. Like why? I've traveled every time I used to travel through those buses itself. Like barely, if they are not in service or something, if I don't get the seats, only then I look for other one, or else like I would rather pay 50 rupees more and travel in those buses itself and not others. So like when I saw in Redbirds, it just shows like 3-star rating, 2-star rating. I wonder why. But I have always had a good experience in those travels, so I don't believe in rating. Since then, I think it should come from there. So since then, I haven't looked for rating to order anything or to purchase anything. I believe like people who rate are the ones who are disappointed. So if I order something and if I'm disappointed, only then out of frustration I go there and rate, isn't it? Like if it is like too good, I know there are people who will, if they find it really good, then they have that tendency to go and rate or give a good review, which is really good. But at least I haven't done that. So in that case, it is just like people who are not satisfied, people who are very much disappointed will only go there and drop a review there saying that it was not good, that blah 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 and XYZ. So in that case, mostly negative people, like negative experienced people, are only coming there and dropping the review. So in that case, what will make sense? So I go by price, not by rating. I think by this you all might know me a little too much with this by this video. Sauce on the side or sauce on top? I think sauce on the side, not sauce on top. Like if I get a pizza, I will pour the sauce on the side, but not on it. Bad breath or bad odor? I think I'm fine with both, but if I have to pick one, then bad odor. I'll be fine with bad odor, but bad breath, maybe not. But I think I'll still be fine. I don't mind anything. No judgments coming if you have a bad breath or bad odor. Free lunch or free dessert? Free lunch. I'm not really like a dessert person, so I mean, if my friends are watching this, then be like, huh? Seriously? Because I've been eating a lot of desserts these days, so because of that, but I would rather prefer free lunch. That's a good, nice inner corner pop. Video meeting or in-person meeting? So if you were asking me this question 3 years ago, then I would say video meetings. Because I was not a person, like I was an introvert person. I'll just put it that way. I was very introverted and I used to like prefer video meetings. But now if I have to pick, then I would rather be in-person meetings. The same I think I'm gonna apply here as a little bit. Emails or conversation? Again, the reason is going to be the same. If 3 years ago, if you were asking, she would rather pick emails. But now I think conversation. Here it is, introvert or extrovert. I just told the reason here, but yeah, now extrovert. For eyes, I'm gonna use these two eyeliners. Okay, sandals or Crocs? I'm not a big fan of Crocs, so sandals. I don't know, for some reason I don't like Crocs. Sing or dance? Dance. I don't know to sing. Okay, this is interesting. Gift or gift cards? I think gifts. Gifts, something that is useful for the opposite person, like to whomever I am gifting, then it should be useful for him or her. Yeah, something like that. Then yeah, gifts. Not gift cards. I don't know. Like I don't know how long that person is just going to have it with him or her. The blue is completely covered, but yeah, we'll give a touch up. I think the blue itself was looking good. Okay, this should be fine. Okay, one best friend or large group of friends? One best friend. One best friend for life, I am fine. Large group of friends, I am still fine. Large group, not like 20, 30 friends. I've always been like minimal friends sort of a girl. So yeah, very minimal friends, then yeah. I wasn't doing this liner thing, but recently I've been doing it because I'm watching a lot of videos. People just do this and their lips are like very much defined and all of that. And then I'm gonna use this lipstick. Recently I've been loving this lipstick. It's just so beautiful shade and I absolutely love this. I've been loving this recently, so why not? Save or spend? Of course, this is in terms of money, so I think save. I don't spend a lot, but I actually do.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Okay, we'll just stop here and okay, no, we'll just do one more and we'll end it. The light is behaving a little weird today. I don't know why. This is interesting. Sushi or burgers? I'm craving right now. I think sushi. Okay, I think I am done. I like how it turned out. Simple and subtle. I think in every video I say this. Okay, anyways, we are done with the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up. Then what? I will be seeing you all in my next one. I think I forgot my outro. I hope you all liked this video. If you all did, then give this video a thumbs up and I will be seeing you all in my next video. And let me know in the comment section that if you like watching such sort of videos, and I will be seeing you all in my next one. Bye.